I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 74 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and we bring you the funny, the weird, the lies, so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about switching your assigned rooms, continental breakfast, coffee creamer, adult diapers, and breakfast at Guy's Burger Joint? Alright, question one. This cruiser is going with their dad, and his dad has a balcony room purchased. He has an interior room purchased. He wants to know, when they get on board, they're going to swap rooms. Can you do that? Why is he giving up his balcony for his kid? That's a good dad. Anyway, the answer is yes. Yes, you can. All you gotta do is go to guest services so they can log who is in what room. So in the event of an emergency, they know who is in each room. But again, that's a hell of a dad. Dad of the year right there, man. Whew. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if it's permitted to order the continental breakfast for more than 2 cabin occupants. They are traveling on the Dream, and they have a larger family cabin, and they're cruising with family, so they want the family to come inside the room and just have a continental breakfast together. Pretty cool. And John said, yes, it is most certainly okay. You can call the night before and then let them know what you need. You just got to call room service. So, yeah, absolutely. You can have more than 2 servings, if you will, delivered to the room. Question 3. They want to see the ships add coffee creamer dispenser machines at Lido Deck. Flavored, I think, is particularly what they were asking for. John said they've never had these, but he will include it on the monthly report. They do offer some flavors at the specialty coffee shops. So, and he has seen people bring their own little creamers too. So if you like your flavored creamers, you can bring them yourself. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. This one, the cruiser was just on the Jubilee. They said it was a lovely ship. But there was a situation at the pool where they know that children can't wear diapers, but they did see an adult get into the pool with an adult diaper on. So they're wondering if children can't wear them, the adults can't wear it, which agree, but did they not put a bathing suit over their diaper? Anyway, John said, you're absolutely right. They are not allowed. And he was very surprised that the swimming pool attendant didn't catch this and asked that person to get out of the pool. So, easy rule of thumb, no diapers in the pool. No matter if you have one to start your life or have one to end your life. No diapers in the pool. The last one, they saw a post earlier where someone was having breakfast at Guy's Burger Joint. And he wants to know what ships serve breakfast at Guy's Burger Joints. Sunrise. That's it. That is the only one that currently does breakfast at Guy's. We will be going on this cruise shortly. Yeah, shortly. I just confirmed with the director. It is shortly. And I can't wait to see what they have on there because I love me some Guy's Burgers. I want to see what they do for breakfast. So anyway, that's episode 74 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.